Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 5th of July 2021 and in this video we are going to see the important current affairs from 5th of July 2021. Our first question is, who among the following has recently started crop insurance awareness campaign? Answer is option number 4, Narendra Singh Tomar, Agriculture and Farmer Welfare Minister of Government of India. Narendra Singh Tomar has recently launched the Crop Insurance Awareness Campaign for Fasal Bima Yojana. It was launched during the Crop Insurance Week, which is being celebrated between 1st to 7th of July 2021, and this crop insurance awareness campaign aims to bring stories of beneficiary farmer through videos and photos, stories on social media. Stories of those farmers would be shared who have not only benefited from the scheme but helped entire farming community through their thought leadership. So answer will be option number 4, Narendra Singh Tomar. Next, which of the following e-commerce company has launched its new app called Shopsy for online business? Answer is option number 3, Flipkart. Recently, Flipkart has launched Shopsy app that will provide opportunities to enterprising Indians to start their own online business with no upfront investment. Shopsy will offer 50 crore products across fashion, beauty, mobiles, home and more for individual entrepreneurs. With Shopsy, Flipkart aims to enable over 25 million online entrepreneurs by 2023. Answer will be option number 3, Flipkart. What is Flipkart? Flipkart is an Indian e-commerce company headquartered in Bangalore, Karnataka and is incorporated in Singapore as a private limited company. It was founded in 2007. It was founded in 2007 by Sachin Bansal and Bini Bansal, and currently CEO of Flipkart is Kalyan Krishnamurthy. Next, Mana Patel is associated with which of the following sports? Answer is option number 4, swimming. Look at the image. This is Mana Patel, an Indian backstone swimmer from Ahmedabad, Gujarat, and she is in news recently because she has recently become the first female and only the third swimmer from India to punch her ticket to Tokyo Olympic 2021. So answer will be option number 4, swimming. Next, which of the following organization has recently launched the report titled Global Estimated on International Migrant Workers Result and Methodology? Answer is option number 4, ILO. Long form of ILO is International Labour Organization. It was founded in 1990. Headquarters is in Geneva, which is in Switzerland, and currently Gay Ryder is the Director General of ILO or International Labour Organization, and it recently has published its new report titled Global Estimated on International Migrant Workers Result and Methodology. And it is said in this report that international migrant workforce increased to 169 million in 2019. In 2019, a rise of 5 million increase in total count, or 3% rise compared to figures in 2017. Answer will be option number 4. Next, who among the following has been recently appointed as the new Chief Minister of Uttarakhand? Answer is option number 4, Pushkar Singh Dhami. Pushkar Singh Dhami has become the new Chief Minister of Uttarakhand recently. Uttarakhand, look at map. This is Uttarakhand. Its capital are Gairsen and Dehradun. Gairsen is the summer capital and Dehradun is the winter capital. Governor is Baby Rani Maurya. Earlier, Tirath Singh Rawat was the Chief Minister, but now Pushkar Singh Dhami has become the new CM of Uttarakhand. Its legislature has 71 members. 5 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 3 members are elected to Rajya Sabha from Uttarakhand. It borders with China, Nepal, UP, Himachal Pradesh. Its high court is located in Nainital. Jim Corbett National Park, which is considered as the oldest national park in Indian subcontinent, is also located in Uttarakhand. Next, which of the following state government has recently launched SALT initiative? Answer is option number 3, Andhra Pradesh. Recently, Andhra Pradesh state government has started a supporting Andhra's learning transformation, that is SALT program, to transfer fundamental studying in authority school, for which the World Bank has permitted a mortgage of $250 million. Essential goals of this program are strengthening basic school and offering training and ability development to teachers. Answer will be option number 3, Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh, this is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is the first state in India to be formed on linguistic basis. Its capital is Amravati. Governor is Vishwabhushan Harichandan. CM is YS Jaganmohan Reddy. Its legislature has 175 plus 58 members. That is, in Vidhan Sabha there are 175 and in Vidhan Parishad there are 58 members. 25 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 11 members are elected to Rajya Sabha from Andhra Pradesh. It borders with Telangana, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Godavari and Krishna are the main rivers of Andhra Pradesh, and Kuchipudi is the cultural dance form of Andhra Pradesh. Which of the following company has recently launched 36 broadband satellites into orbit by Soyuz rocket from Russia? Answer is option number 4, OneWeb. OneWeb is a global communications company building a capability to deliver broadband satellite internet services worldwide. It is headquartered in London and its offices are in California, and it has recently launched 36 broadband satellites into orbit by a Soyuz rocket from Russia. The launch marks the completion of OneWeb's 5 to 50 ambition to bring into orbit the satellite required to enable connectivity services to the northern hemisphere. Answer will be option number 4. Next, the Project Bold, BOLD, which is in news recently, has been launched in which of the following state? Answer is option number 1, Rajasthan. The Project Bold, that is Bamboo Oasis on Lands in Drought, is a project of Khadi and Village Industries Commission, that is KVIC, that seeks to create bamboo based green patches in arid and semi-arid land zone, and it has been recently launched on 4th of July 2021 from Tribal Village, Nichla Mandwa in Udaipur, Rajasthan. Answer will be option number 1, Rajasthan. This is Rajasthan. Its capital is Jaipur. Governor is Kalraj Mishra. CM is Ashok Gehlot. Its legislature has 200 members. 25 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 10 members are elected to Rajya Sabha from Rajasthan. It borders with Punjab, Haryana, UP, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat. It is the largest state by area in India and 5th largest by population in India. And the Panchayat Raj was first adopted in Nagaur district in Rajasthan on 2nd of October 1959. Next, who has been recently named as the flag bearer of the Indian contingent in the Tokyo Paralympics, which will begin from August 2021. Answer is option number 1, Mariappan Thangvelu. Mariappan Thangvelu is the top para high jumper from India, and he has recently named as the flag bearer of the Indian contingent in the Tokyo Paralympics, which will begin on August 24, 2021. This Mariappan Thangvelu, who had won the gold medal in 2016, was picked for the honor by the executive committee of the national body, and this Mariappan Thangvelu has been awarded with Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 2020. Answer will be option number 1. Next, which of the following bank has launched Salam Dil Se initiative to show gratitude to doctors for their tireless service during the pandemic? Answer is option number 1, HDFC Bank. Salam Dil Se is an initiative launched by HDFC Bank recently to show gratitude to doctors for their tireless services during the pandemic and to pay tribute to doctors across the country. Salam Dil Se encourages one and all to take a moment to acknowledge and celebrate the contribution of doctors and provide a platform to show their gratitude to doctors who are bravely fighting the pandemic at the risk of their own life. Apart from this initiative, the bank has created a web platform, www.salamdilse.com, wherein the general public log on onto the microsite and share the thank you message for doctors, which can be immediately shared via email, social media and WhatsApp. Answer will be option number 1, HDFC Bank. Now we will quickly revise the questions of our last video. Our first question was, which of the following day is celebrated as World Sports Journalist Day? Answer is option number 2, 2nd July. M. Prasannan has recently died at the age of 73. He was associated with which of the following sports? Answer is option number 4, football. Which of the following state government has recently planned to establish health ATMs to provide better health facilities to the people in the state? Answer is option number 1, Uttar Pradesh. Which of the following bank has recently launched India's most comprehensive banking solution for medical doctors titled as Salute Doctors? Answer is option number 3, ICICI Bank. YSR Bima scheme is related to which of the following state? Answer is option number 3, Andhra Pradesh. Which of the following day has been recently celebrated as International Day of Cooperatives? Answer is option number 3, 3rd July. Sumit Malik, who has been recently handed a 2-year ban, is related to which sports? Answer is option number 4, wrestling. Who among the following has been recently appointed as the new Vice Chief of Army Strategy? Answer is option number 4, Sanjeev Kumar Sharma. As announced by the Government of India, how many Divyangta Khel Kendra will be established in different parts of country, considering Divyangan of the country and their good performances in Paralympics? Answer is option number 2, 5. And this was the last question. Who has topped the test cricket ranking which has been recently released by ICC? Answer is option number 1, Kane Williamson from New Zealand. These were the questions asked in our last video. Now answer of the question which was asked to you in the last video. Question was, who is the author of the book titled It's a Wonderful Life? Answer is option number 4, Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is the author of the book titled It's a Wonderful Life. Now today's question is, which of the following organization has recently published its report titled World Investment Report 2021? Options are IMF, UNCCD, UNDP and UNCTAD. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we will discuss question in the next video.